Hi, this is Julie here. I wanted to show you the inside of my online course, The Art and Magic of Encaustic. You might have seen me sharing it a little bit online, but this is kind of drawing back the curtain and showing you the information that's inside. So I wanted to give you a little run through. So this is when you are inside the course and the layout. So ooh, there is a host of contents. So let's have a quick look and see what we've got. So there's a little bit about myself here as the instructor, and the course is broken down into a number of sections. So we kick off literally with some basics. There's each one of these, you click inside and you will see that you kind of have a video, so press play. So this is a video with me just explaining how I recommend going through the course. And in short at this point, which is to kind of watch these first videos in the first and the second section. So the section on kind of essential things that you really need to know about encaustic, and how to fuse, which is the most critical skill that you're going to need to get hold of. And then there's a section on health and safety. So there's some common sense things to know about ventilation, testing, powder pigments, just a few health and safety things that you need to know. And then once you've read those kind of there are a number of videos and lots of sort of instructional things here. So this is a kind of gathering your equipment and looking at how to work with these areas. And then this section of the course, so section 3, is how to build your encaustic paintings, and this is where everything is going to kind of come into practice. So the way this is set up is that I recommend that you start to work along with the videos as you go, so you don't need to watch every video before you can begin. And it's a bit of a pick and mix really, so choose what you're drawn to. But there are, I kind of talk you through ways that I would go about it. So many different ways you can colour wax. So there's like an overview video, and then we start to get down into individual. So I mean, I can't remember how many. There are so many different videos. I think it's about 8 different videos on just ways to colour wax in itself. So you can colour it from underneath, on top, within. So there's loads of different ways. So I mean, you can sit and binge watch them all, or you can just start to work through them as you go. And then I've put some videos in that I have created myself, just to give you some extra inspiration, and then some extra hints and tips about cleaning your hot plate and brushes, and some additional resources for you. We've got a course members group, and then congratulations on what comes next, basically. So I think there's around about 40. I'm always adding to this as well. So yeah, there are 39 lessons on there currently that are live. But once you've been involved in the course for a little while, one of the bonuses that I have are some additional resources for you around actually what I see time and time again are people watch all the videos but don't actually get started. So I do have some bonus videos where you'll see more videos like this with where I'm sharing more additional resources with you. So and I say it's a building library as well. So I always, if I create something new, then I will come and I will add additional videos as I go through. So anyhow, that's a quick overview of what you'll find inside the course. And once you're inside, you can work your way through each of the videos. I think anyway, it's quite common sense once you're in there, and you can kind of find your way around quite easily. So this is where the extra hints and tips and resources will come in once you have been there for a while. So anyhow, I hope you find that helpful, and just handy to see what is inside. So yeah, any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you inside the course. Take care now. Bye.